We have reached peak smartphone. The iPhone 17 looks like the 16. The apps are the same. The scrolling never ends. We aren't using technology anymore. We are just staring at glass.
Take a look at the device in your hand right now. That glowing rectangular brick. We treat it like the pinnacle of human innovation. But let's be honest, it's a fossil.
But inside the secret labs of Silicon Valley, the execution order has already been signed. The smartphone is dying, and 3 terrifyingly advanced technologies are racing to replace it. By 2035, your pocket will be empty.
First, let's address the failures. We saw the Humane AI pin and the Rabbit R1 try to kill the phone this year. They failed miserably. Why? Because people still need to see things.
The solution isn't to remove the screen, but to remove the device. Enter the holographic wrist link. Imagine all the processing power of the cloud sitting on your wrist. No weight, no digging in your pockets. When you need a screen, it projects a crisp 3D interface onto your skin or the air in front of you. Your AI assistant isn't just an app anymore. It's a constant companion whispering in your ear. The technology becomes invisible, but the connection remains.
Apple's Vision Pro showed us the power of spatial computing. But let's face it, nobody wants to walk around looking like a dystopian skier. The future isn't bulky headsets, it's contact lenses.
Companies are already testing prototypes of smart lenses with micro-LED displays the size of a grain of sand. Imagine walking down the street. Your navigation, your messages, even a zoom function, it's all overlaying your natural vision. You don't look down at a phone. You look at the world. It is the ultimate augmented reality.
But those are just gadgets. The final killer is biology. Elon Musk's Neuralink has already proven that a human can control a mouse cursor with their mind. This is the infancy of the brain-computer interface, or BCI.
Why type a message when you can think it? Why wear headphones when music can stream directly to your auditory cortex? In this future, you become the device. The latency between thought and action becomes zero. It is the most efficient way to communicate in human history. It is also the most terrifying. The smartphone had a good run. It connected the world, but it also chained us to screens. The next 10 years will break those chains. We are moving from the era of mobile computing to ambient computing. The tech will be everywhere and yet nowhere. But here is the question for you. When the time comes, will you choose the lens in your eye, the chip in your brain, or will you hold on to your old iPhone forever?